Alright, just in. UN General Assembly votes for immediate Gaza ceasefire. 153 out of 193 nations are in favor of the 377A resolution. UN General Assembly has adopted a resolution on the Middle East demanding a humanitarian ceasefire, the protection of civilians, the immediate unconditional release of all hostages, and humanitarian access. Resolution 377A, also known as Uniting for Peace, is aimed at resolving a situation in which the UN fails to exercise its primary responsibility for the maintenance of international peace and security. This is because Security Council members can't see eye to eye. Now the question posed is, do you agree with the UN resolution? All we continue to pray and wish for is peace in the Middle East, peace in the entire world, and peace in Gaza, peace in Israel, to be precise. Now, another question being posed is, why is it 153 out of 190? In fact, why did America didn't succumb or agree to ceasefire? This is just a question coming up and some persons have been asking. So please, you can go through this and see for yourself, and I think it's a very nice move for UN to call for a ceasefire because of the humans. Now, it's no longer the issue of trying to fight Hamas or not fighting Hamas. No, the issue now, trying to kill even those that are not involved, even the innocent and children especially. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. Your comment is mostly needed. Thank you very much.